Bitcoin. This might be the most popular term you have heard in recent times. Terms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Dogecoin, etc. are becoming very popular these days. But do you actually know what they are and how they actually work? Well, we are going to talk about that. All the cryptocurrencies work on a technology known as blockchain. Blockchains are nothing but account ledgers which hold records of all the transactions that we do. Now imagine a situation that you want to send some money to your friend, but there's some technical issue at the bank level, and the bank also charges certain fee for this transaction. This is where the blockchain technology comes into the picture. Blockchain technology is completely decentralized, which means that it has no central authority. Each blockchain is made up of different blocks, and these blocks hold certain relevant information. Necessary data is encrypted into hashes, and we also have hash of its previous block, and all these blocks are linked together just like linked list. As I said, that blockchain technology is completely decentralized, which means that we can send money to our friend without the intervention of any central authority, just like bank. This transaction is more secure than bank transactions. But how? All the necessary data in a block is completely encrypted using complex encryption algorithms, and it is nearly impossible to change this data. So if we are sending some money to our friend, that record will always be present in that blockchain, and this blockchain is shared by everyone in that network, which means that if I have a blockchain, then my friend will also have that same blockchain, then all the records will be same. So it's nearly impossible to change all the data. Now I try to manipulate data of a single block, then its hash value will also change. Subsequently, the hash value of its consecutive block will also change, and this will occur to the entire chain. And this procedure of changing the records of a single chain has to be done to the complete public distributed ledgers over the network, which is nearly impossible. So we can say that blockchain technology provides us that level of security which no one can provide. Using this technology, in 2009, an anonymous person known as Satoshi Nakamoto developed Bitcoin that we know today. He used Bitcoin for transactions over the network. Very soon, Bitcoin became a public distributed ledger, and today people are using it in their day-to-day lives. There have been tremendous battle between pros and cons of cryptocurrencies, but we can always say that this was a massive revolution in the world of technology. Blockchain technology uses advanced encryption algorithms for hashing of their data. For example, Bitcoin uses SHA-256 algorithm, while the Ethereum uses ET hash algorithm for the encryption of their transactions. Now on the network where these transactions occur, there are people who validate these transactions, and they are called as miners. And this process is known as cryptocurrency mining, which requires a lot of power usage. Miners have to solve complex mathematical problems to validate these transactions, and this is known as proof of work. Proof of work is the basis of blockchain technology. We have talked a lot about cryptocurrencies, but there are several other domains as well where blockchain technology is used tremendously. First is it is used in the real estate technology for the notary purpose. The blockchain technology is also used in hospitals for maintaining records of the patients, the doctors, nurses, and all the staff. Hospitals use blockchain technology to keep a permanent record of all the data. Even we can use this blockchain technology. If you want to implement a blockchain just like Ethereum, you have to learn a language known as Solidity, and then you can use this technology in your day-to-day life, your projects, and everything. This was all about the introduction of this revolutionary technology. Thank you and have a nice day.